Sound. Sound.
Hi people.
Wait, sound.
Ala, do it. Wait, no.
Now. Hi people, this is TV Miguel World. We are going to swim in Hannah Montana, Copabanana, also known as Copacabana, but we cannot fucking find it. Where is it? Come on, cameraman, video it. It's gone. It's out of our view, and we've been finding it for 45 minutes, and we left the school at 8 o'clock, and it's not there. Where is it? But help us, where is it? I've been burning here, and I want to swim since the morning, and I cannot fucking find the stupid Copacabana shop. I want just to go to the Copacabana and say, Hayao shop. Man, I'm freaking tired of waiting. I've been waiting all my life, and I cannot fucking find it.
That is all. Here's Magic.
Bye. Shop.